Hi beauties, I'm Keirra from the Tulsa Mall Sephora in Maryland, and I'm back with another lightweight complexion video. Today I'll be focusing on brightening my under eyes, and if you would like to recreate this look, make sure you continue to watch. So first I'm going to start off with my Kiehl's Since 1851 Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. And what I like about this eye cream, it's very nourishing and a little goes a long way. I'm going to apply it with my fingers. So I'm going to use the Herbivore Jade Facial Roller to really work that product underneath my eye because it helps reduce any puffiness and any small fine lines that I may have. I find that this step really helps calm me down, so I really take my time with this step. And now I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Self-Setting Concealer in shade Tawny. I'm only going to apply the color corrector to my darker areas under my eyes, and I'm also going to apply the color correctors anywhere that I have dark spots on my face. I find that when I concentrate the product only in this little area, that it helps with brightening my under eye a lot. I'm going to be blending this color corrector out with my number 71 Sephora Collection brush. So this is a great color corrector because it has a slight peach undertone to it, and when I blend it blends out very naturally. Now I'm going to be using my Cover FX Power Play Concealer in Deep 2. And what I love about this concealer is that it's full coverage without the weight. So I'm only going to be applying this concealer to my under eye just for that extra brightening effect. I'm going to be using my Beauty Blender to blend it out. My Beauty Blender is damp, and I'm going to go over the color corrected areas very lightly just so I don't move the color corrector around at all. And now I'm going to be using Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder in Translucent, and this is also going to help me with brightening my under eye as well. I'm going to be using my Beauty Blender to apply it. I'm going to be using patting motions just to avoid moving around the concealer that I've already applied. This product also allows my concealer to wear even longer. So I didn't use any foundation for this look, but just to tie everything in and to make sure everything is pretty cohesive, I'm going to be using the Sephora Collection Micro Smooth Baked Foundation Powder. And I'm going to be applying this powder with the number 91 brush, and it really pulls everything together. So I'm only going to be applying this powder to the perimeter of my face. I love the brightness for my under eye, so I'm not going to go over those areas at all. Now to warm my skin, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer in the shade Cocoa Naughty. I like this bronzer because it's long wearing and it has a matte finish. It gives my skin just enough warmth, and it also helps with bringing back the dimension in my skin. This is also the number 91 Sephora Collection brush. So I'm going to take a generous amount of this product and put it exactly where I would contour. So I'm going to do the hollows of my cheek, the perimeter of my forehead, and my entire jawline. So there you have it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.